Good morning.
Good morning. Today is day number 5.
Day number 5. Let's check out for breakfast.
You got fruit side? Protein side.
Alright. And this is my plate. I did go and sneak some grits because, you know, I love grits. And we are now in St. Thomas. Alright, you guys, I just went to guest services to pick up our Disney port adventure for the Sky line. I don't know what it's called. It said on the schedule that it was at 9 o'clock, but then it said at your own leisure. So that means that you can come get your tickets and go on your own time whenever you want. Just the earliest you can go is 9 a.m. So it is about 9:45 right now, and we are about to head out to our first excursion, and maybe our only. We haven't decided yet, so we'll see you there. So if you guys need towels, you can always grab some here. Disney provides them, which is amazing. Go here, you can actually go into the museum and see real wreckage from ships that have been found. They have coins from all over the world. So we finally made it back from the shops walking, and Vista and I, we were just talking about how far that walk was. We get to the ship and look what we see.
I'm trying to convince you.
You gotta be kidding me.
More exercise for us.
Oh, I feel good. It feels amazing.
This is so amazing. The fish are literally right below our feet, you guys. are in St. Thomas, the Virgin Islands, and it's so beautiful. I'm so glad to see it in the back. We're having the time of our lives. One of the times of our lives. But yeah, anyway, we're here for like another hour, and then we're gonna head back onto the Disney cruise ship. Yeah. Not sure what we're gonna do when we get there, but this is the best. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey, I just woke up. We just woke up. We're about to go to dinner. I could totally sleep a little longer, but I really want to go to this restaurant. So we'll see you there. We are shopping right now on the Disney cruise, and we're looking for an ornament. So I'm going to show you the options that they do have, especially if you're coming for Christmas 2019, because these are the ornaments that are going to be available. So this is the one that we are choosing. These are really beautiful also. I'm actually taking one of these home.
Awesome.
Aren't they cute?
They are super cute.
Oh, they're so cute. If you are a pen trader, you just come up here and you can choose pens you want to trade. This is the collection that they have right now. The earrings that I bought yesterday with the matching necklace. Isn't it so cute? Ship, there's a different character on the front. I like this. Ours is Dumbo. I might regret not buying it.
There's no recording in this store.
What is this stuff? You look cute. Babe, hold up. Me on a Disney cruise. That is so real. That's me. Hey guys, what's up? So what we're going to do right now is we are going to show you what the midship detective agency station looks like, and then we are going to actually do a mystery challenge. I don't know what you call it, but here we go. Don't wear a long sleeve shirt when you do this if you decide to go up and down the stairs by foot. I'm so hot. Oh my god. Okay, let's find our next spot. We are back in our room. It's about 11
11:55 to be exact.
It's 11:55 and we just finished watching Maleficent, and before that we did 2 scavenger hunts. So that was really fun. Tomorrow we have a day at sea, and then we go to Castaway Cay, and then we go home. And yeah, it's pretty crazy that it's already gonna be Thursday, but that's life on the ship. But other than that, just wanted to say goodnight and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Good night.